Welcome to our channel. If your Fire TV stick is frozen, running slowly, or having issues, restarting it can often resolve these problems. Follow these step-by-step instructions to restart your device properly. Step 1. The fastest method is using your Fire TV remote. Press and hold both the select button and the play-pause button together for about 5 seconds. Step 2. Your TV screen will display a restart confirmation message. Select Restart to confirm and proceed. Step 3. Alternatively, navigate to Settings from your Fire TV home screen using the remote's directional buttons. Step 4. Scroll to the right and select My Fire TV or device, depending on your Fire TV version. Step 5. From the options displayed, select Restart to initiate the restart process. Step 6. Confirm your selection when prompted by selecting Restart again on the confirmation screen. Step 7. Your Fire TV stick will shut down and restart automatically. This process typically takes 1 to 2 minutes. Step 8. After restarting, check if your issues are resolved. If problems persist, try unplugging the Fire TV stick from power for 30 seconds before plugging it back in for a complete power cycle. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.